This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Bridge. Let's dive right into the essentials. Adobe Bridge is your central hub for managing all your creative files, from photos to videos and documents. It's designed to streamline your workflow by providing a unified view of your assets, making it incredibly easy to find, sort, and preview everything before you even open another application. Think of it as your personal digital librarian for all your creative projects. Navigating Adobe Bridge is straightforward once you understand its layout. You'll find key panels like favorites for quick access, folders to browse your file system, content to see your files, and a large preview panel to view your assets. You can easily customize these panels to suit your workflow, perhaps by dragging and dropping them or choosing from preset layouts. This flexibility ensures you can set up your workspace exactly how you like it, making your file management incredibly efficient. Effective organization is where Adobe Bridge truly shines. You can create smart collections to group related files, even if they're scattered across different folders, without actually moving the original files. Assigning keywords, star ratings from 1 to 5, and color labels makes your assets incredibly searchable. Imagine finding that perfect image in seconds. Plus, the batch rename feature allows you to rename hundreds of files in one go, saving you a significant amount of time and effort. Adobe Bridge seamlessly integrates with your entire Creative Cloud workflow. You can open any file directly into its associated Adobe application, like sending a photo to Photoshop or a vector graphic to Illustrator, with just a double click. For even quicker access, the mini Bridge panel can be embedded within other applications, keeping your assets at your fingertips. You can also automate repetitive tasks using built-in scripts or the powerful batch process feature, significantly speeding up your post-production work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.